Welcome back to our channel and another one of our boat tours. We'll be taking a look at our 2000 Mainship 430 trawler that has just finished a 3-year cruise around the Great Loop. The Mainship 430 is a combination of classic design, innovative engineering, and modern manufacturing methods. This model has 3 staterooms and 2 heads, both with electric toilets and stall showers. Some notable features include air conditioning throughout, a Kohler generator, and twin Caterpillar diesel engines. To aft, there is a full-sized swim platform which is equipped with a folding ladder, freshwater shower, and a molded storage box. Sturdy aluminum rails offer excellent handholds, and the cockpit is lowered for safer and easier entry through the transom door. There is an aft cabin entry door back here, and the aft deck is large enough to store a tender. The hardtop also has outboard motor storage and railings with rod holders. Go up the molded non-skid steps and you're on the expansive flybridge with a bimini top and stainless steel frame. Up here, captains have unobstructed views to all points with plenty of room for guests. An L-shaped molded passenger bench seat is to port with a pedestal table, and to starboard is a molded bench with storage bins below. The control console is forward with dual engine controls and instruments and a Venturi windshield. Heading forward to the integrated bow pulpit is safe for everyone with the wide decks and high bulwarks of the 43. The split anchor well can handle plenty of rode and an extra Danforth and includes an anchor washdown. Fore and aft shore power outlets allow for choice of docking, and the port and starboard cabin doors make short-handing a snap. Moving to the interior, you enter the main cabin that has the salon, lower helm, and galley all on the same level. The U-shaped dinette and sofa is to port with a high-low table right next to the companionway steps. The entertainment center and nav station is to starboard opposite the dinette. The chair and desk are below the electrical panel. Looking forward, you'll see the lower helm just past the door to the side deck. This fully instrumented lower helm allows the captain to comfortably operate the vessel during inclement weather. Port of the helm is a chef's paradise with its own door to the side deck. Counter space is usually at a premium on a boat of this size, but the galley has plenty of Corian counters as well as a ton of lockers and drawers for storage. The galley features a sub-zero refrigerator and separate freezer, a coffee maker, microwave, double stainless steel sink, and a 3-burner electric cooktop. Moving forward to the lower level, you enter the V-berth with its own air conditioning system. There are shelves outboard and storage below, as well as lockers port and starboard. The guest cabin to port has 2 single berths aft with storage below as well as a locker. Across the passageway to starboard is the forward head compartment. It has a countertop wash basin, lockers, stall shower, and an electric marine toilet. Moving aft, you enter the aft cabin, which has an island berth to port with storage below and beside. Along with the entrance from the salon, there's another entrance from the aft cockpit as previously mentioned. The aft head has a wash basin, lockers, stall shower, and an electric marine toilet. There is access to the forward machinery space below the passageway steps. The engine room is below the main cabin and houses the twin 350 horsepower Caterpillar diesel engines. This Mainship 430 is a high-quality, low-maintenance diesel cruiser that is ready to do the Great Loop again. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Please consider subscribing for more boat tours, and for our other listings, visit littleyachtsales.com.